Hello everyone, hi Miss Azizah. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am. Okay, my name is Putri Dinda Permata Sari, but you can call me Dinda or Putri or whatever you guys want to call me. I am the last of the three children. I have two brothers, and both of them is very important person for me. Why? Because both of them is the one and only family that I have, so I love them so much. Okay, I was born in Palembang 2002, but currently I live in Depok, Jawa Barat. I'm a college student at Universitas Nasional, majoring journalism. Speaking of a hobby, actually I have a lot of hobbies, but writing is one of my hobbies. I love writing, especially write articles and hard news because I love sharing information to the people. Okay, my passion is journalism, you guys. I love when I do my work along with my hobbies, writing or being broadcaster at television. I learned a lot of things about broadcasting at Unas TV. If you know, guys, Unas TV is a community in my college. In there, I learned many things like how to become a news scriptwriter or become a producer, a program, become a director, etc. Okay, so it was very challenging and made me excited. Um, okay, guys, I guess that's all can I say about these introductions. Sorry if my grammar and my speaking not very well at English. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. See you, bye bye.